in that multiple angles. Multiple angles. Multiple angles means if A by 2 is placed in place of A. That is, suppose sin 2A. Sin 2A is replaced A by 2 means sin 2A, that is 2 into A by 2. That is cancelled, which becomes sin 2. You can write sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A cos A. Now, the submultiple, this is multiple angle. Submultiple angle, it becomes A. So, automatically, this 2A becomes half, this also becomes half. 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Like that, we can write. These are the submultiple angles. And the second one is cos A. 1 minus 2 cos square. 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Or cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Anything you can take like that. Tan A can also be written as, what is tan 2A? 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Therefore, this can be written as 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. That is, if A by 2 is placed, or if A is replaced with A by 2. These are submultiple angles. From that, you can calculate cos A by 2, 1 plus cos A by 2, like that you can write. Sin A by 2, 1 minus cos A by 2, like. Over. Is it completed? Still anybody is writing, raise your hands.
So they are writing some handwriting. Sir, you can erase, sir.
This is about the multiple
Hands
angles
down
and
చేయండి అందరూ.
what?
లేదు సార్, హ్యాండ్స్ డౌన్ చేసి.
Next, come to the other one. Sine rule. Regarding that sine rule, what you can write is, suppose here a triangle generally will have a triangle can have 3 sides and 3 angles. We know about this. You can have three sides and three triangles. So the relation between the sides and the trigonometry ratio angles can be obtained as follows. Suppose if you are given this is a triangle. This is one angle, this is another angle like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. If this is side A, this side B, this side C. This is the angle A, this is the angle B, this is the angle C. Otherwise, you can take. Or otherwise, this is the triangle, let us say PQ. So, in this triangle, the ratio of the side to the opposite sine angle must be a constant. That is the sine rule. That is given by A by sine A. The ratio of the side to the opposite sine angle is always be a constant. A by sine, B by sine, C by automatically what the angle sine. This is called as sine rule. If you know the sides, you can easily find out the ratio of their angles like that. The second one is cosine rule. This sine rule. The other one is cosine rule. If you are going to find out, then there are three things we have. If you want to find out the side A square can be written as B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Second one, if you want B square, it is other two sides, B square plus C square minus 2CA cos B. And third one, C square is A square plus B square minus 2AB cos. If you know the sides ABC, cos A, the angle A or angle B or angle C, you can easily calculate using these relations. Sine rule always gives the ratio of the opposite side to the sine angle. Any side to the opposite sine angle is always remains constant. You should have all these formulas, you should have the heart, so that whenever you are doing problems in this, you can easily get the answers. Over. Yes, small a, small b, small c are the sides. Capital A, capital B, capital C are the angles. Here, small a, comma, small b, comma, small c are the sides. And capital A, comma, capital B, comma, capital C are angles of a triangle. Over. Is it completed? Everybody is writing.
No, sir, you can erase, sir.
So these are the important formulas that we have to learn in trigonometry. And now, you may be asked a question like this. Find the values of find the values of given trigonometric functions. You are given like this. Here with tan 105 degrees. Second one. Sine 75 degrees. Cos 15 degrees. Can anybody do this? Can you tell me what about sine tan 105 degrees? Sir?
Saranya.
How to calculate tan 105 degrees? Whenever you are given, already we know sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90.
Pranit.
Yes.
Yes. Sir, I don't know, sir.
What is the answer for tan 105? Whenever you are given this, you have to make use of the what? Compound angles. Now first 88, I am writing tan 105 degrees can be written as tan of 90 plus or tan of 60 plus 45. Can I write? Any objection? Because you know the angles, the trigonometric values for 30, 45, 60, 90, 180 like that. So if you write tan 60 plus 45, tan 105. This is in the form of A and this is B if I am taking. It is in the form of tan of A plus B only. Tan of A plus B can be written as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. That only we can write the formula, you know that. And therefore tan 60, how much? Root 3 minus, sorry, plus 1 by 1 minus root 3 into 1. This is how much you can write root 3 plus 1 by 1 minus root 3. And now you can take the conjugate. Conjugate of 1 minus root 3. 1 plus root 3 by 1 plus. Can I take like that? If I take that one, then what you are going to get? Root 3 plus 1 whole square by this how much? 1 a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square minus. This is 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 a plus b whole square by minus. This is how much you got it then. Tan 105 degrees is equals to. This is 4 plus 2 root 3 by minus. That is minus 2 into 2 plus root 3 by 2. Therefore, tan 105 degrees value how much? minus of 2 plus. Anybody got it? So whenever you are given other than the known values, you can easily write in the form of a compound angles. Sine, tan, 1 not. Suppose if sine 75, how can you write this? Can anybody?
Kastuba,
Sir, sine 45 plus 30.
Okay. Then tell me the answer. Do it and tell me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, the first one?
So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
Root 3 plus 1 by
Root 2.
sine 75.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's right. Can I erase this one? Is it over? So the second one that what I given is B bit, that is sine of 75 degrees. This I can write sine of 45 plus 30. Am I right? Then what you are going to get, this can be written as sine A, this is A, B. So sine of A plus B only. Sine of A plus B can be written as sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sine 30. That is 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Here, this simply nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, which is very, very simple. Next, cos 15, how can you write? Cos 15 degrees. Third one is cos 15. Cos 15 degrees, how can you write this? Cos of 45 minus 30, can I write? 45 minus 30, how much? 15 only. This I can write cos 45. Cos A, this is A, this is cos A minus cos B. Cos of A minus cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin. Very simple. Cos 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by. Again, this is also root 3 plus 1 by 2. Which implies if you observe these two, from these two, what you can infer? Sine 15, sine 75 degrees is equals to cos 15 degrees. Both are same. How it becomes? Because cos 75 can be written as cos sin 75 can also be written as sin 90 minus 15. Sin 90 minus 15 means sin 90 minus theta, first quadrant. So cos 15. That's why we got the same answer. Are you able to follow? This is how we are going to apply this. Directly you cannot find out sin 75. You have to use the compound angles formula. Either sin A plus B, cos A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A minus, or tan A plus B, or tan A minus. Anything that you can use because you know only the values of cos sin this 0 for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 and 90. From that only we can calculate. Is it over? Still anybody is writing?
No, sir. You can arrange, sir.
No. Will be given if sin A is equals to 4 by 5 and cos B is equal to minus 12 by 30, where A is greater than 0 and less than 5 by 2 and B is greater than 5 and less than 3 by 5. Then find A bit sin of A plus B. B bit cos of A minus B. Tan of A plus B. Just like that, you cannot find out anything, but this time you are given like this. Can anybody do at least first one? Sin of A plus B. They are given angle A lies in mid, A is greater than 0, less than 5 by 2. And B is greater than 5 and less than 3 by 2. That means A, angle A is in which quadrant? Can you tell me, anybody? In which quadrant A is present and which quadrant B is existing? Can anybody?
First quadrant, sir.
Huh?
First quadrant.
A is in first quadrant. What is B?
1 second, sir. I can't see, sir. Just a second. D is in third quadrant, sir.
Third quadrant. So in first quadrant, what are
All are positive. All are positive, sir.
in third quadrant?
Only tan and cot are positive.
Remaining are
Negative.
Once you got the idea, you can easily do the formula.
Yes, sir.
Your good name?
Pramod Lochan, sir.
Which school?
Chaitanya.
Okay, very good. And now tell me the answers. Once you got the idea of this, what is sin A plus B?
Okay, sir. I will do answer.
In that case 1, if A greater than 0 and less than pi by 2, then capital A lies in first quadrant. Then A lies in first quadrant. Hence, all trigonometric functions are positive. Functions or ratios are positive only. Because in first point, all positive, because according to all silver teacups. So, if you take sin A is equals to 4 by 5, then what is cos A? Root over 1 minus sin square A. Can I write? Because according to identities, sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Therefore, sin square A is equals to, or cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. Therefore, this is nothing but root over 1 minus 16 by 25. Root over 9 by 25, which is 35. So, sin A is not cos A. Therefore, tan A becomes sin A by cos A. That is how much you can write. 4 by 5 by 3 by 5. 4 by. This is the first thing what you can find out. Sin is already obtained, cos A is obtained, and tan A is also obtained. Now in case 2, what is the case 2? If you observe that if B is greater than pi, less than 3 pi by 2, then capital B lies in the which quadrant? Third quadrant. Hence, tan and cot are positive, and sine and cosine are negative. Once you got the idea of this, first of all, you got it. Cos B is minus 12 by 30. Then sine B is also, you can write minus root of. That is minus 5 by 30. Are you able to follow? Then what is tan B? Sin B by cos. That is sin B by cos B means 5 by 12. Whenever these type of things are given, you must be able to find out the other trigonometric functions or ratios using this concept. Now you can easily do it. Can anyone tell me the answer for the first one?
Gayatri.
Sir,
Now tell me.
minus 33 by 65.
No. Check it, calculation path. So, case 1, A lies in 0 and pi by 2 means the first quadrant, all are positive. Case 2, B is in third quadrant, so tan and cot are positive, whereas sine and cosine are negative. Does anybody? What is the first one you are given? Sine of A plus B only.
33 by 65.
So you got 33. Sine A plus B can be written as sine A cos B plus cos A sine B only. Am I right? Then what is sine A? First tell me. It is 4 by 5. Cos B, how much we got it here? Minus 12 by 30. What is cos A? 3 by 5. And what is sine B? Minus 5 by 5. Then minus 48 by 65. Minus 15 by 65. Minus 63 by 60. How you will got 33? Is it correct? So minus 63 by 65 is the right answer. And then what is the other one? You are asked to find out cos A minus B. Can I erase this? So sin A is 4 by 5. Cos A is 3 by 5. Tan A is 4 by 3. Sin B is minus 5 by 13. Cos B is can I erase this part? What is the second one? I asked that second one is cos of A minus B. That is cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin. Already what is cos A? 3 by 5. Just you have to write this. Cos B minus 12 by 13. Sin A 4 by 5. Sin B minus 5 by 30. This minus 36 by 65. Minus 20 by 60. Minus 56 by 60. So cos of A minus B is minus 56 by 65. Anybody got it? See bit what you are answer tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B is nothing but tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A, tan A 4 by 3 plus tan B, how much? 5 by 12 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 5 by. That is how much it is. LCM is 12. 3 4s are 4 4s are 16 plus 5 by. This is 36 minus 20 by 36. Then what is that? It is 21 by 12 into 36 by 16. 12 ones are 12 threes are 63 by 16. That is the answer. Therefore, tan of A plus B is 63 by 60. This is how we have to make use of the compound angles. If you are able to identify the angles which are in which quadrant, once you know the quadrant, then you can easily write the trigonometric values and then you can substitute. This is a method of using. Is it over?
So they are writing, sir, handwriting.
Okay. Is it over?
Okay, sir, you can arrest.
Is it completed? Tell me. Okay?
సార్ కొంతమంది డౌట్స్ హ్యాండ్స్ రైట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్, అన్మ్యూట్ చేయమంటారా? లాస్ట్
Unmute. Tell me, what are the doubts?
కౌస్తుభా, కౌస్తుభా,
Ma'am, I don't have any doubt, ma'am.
హ్యాండ్ డౌన్.
You finished this writing? If anybody having doubts, raise your hands. Then come to the other one. Find the value of. Find the value of sine 105 degrees plus cos 105.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I have a doubt in yesterday's topic, sir.
tell me. Who?
Sir,
What's your name?
Mohit, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, yesterday you have showed that in first quadrant all are positive, no, sir, trigonometric
Yes.
ratios.
Yeah.
In then second quadrant only sine and cosecant are positive, no, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how you know that in second quadrant sine and cosecant are positive and in third tangent and cot, sir?
That is the method. That is the thing that they have been used. A standard relation using that all silver teacups. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
In the usage of all silver teacups, they have taken the quadrant. This is the standard notation they have been given. Only in the first one, all are positive. In the second one, sine. All silver. S stands for sine and cosecant positive. In third quadrant, silver T. T stands for like that.
Tan and cot. Okay, sir. Thank you.
There are sign terms that are adopted, isn't it? What is the answer for this? Can anybody? Anybody got the answer?
Sir,
Tell me.
1 by root 2.
1 by?
Root 2.
Yes, that's right. This sine 105. First, you calculate sine 105. Sine 90 plus, or otherwise sine 60 plus 45. Am I right? This is again based on compound angles. Sine 60 plus 45 means sine 60, sine 40, sorry, sine 60 cos 45 plus cos 50, cos 60, sine 40. That is root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. Therefore, it is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is sine 105 degrees. Similarly, cos 105 degrees. Cos of 60 plus 45. Just we have to find it once again. That is cos 60, cos 45 minus sine 60, sine 45. Then it is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 minus root 3 by 2 into 1 by. This is 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 is cos 105. But you are asked to find out the sum of these two. Then sine 105 plus cos 105 is equals to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus 1 minus root 3 by 2. Then what is the LCM? 2. That is root 3 plus 1 minus, plus 1 minus root 3. This root 3 cancel, 2 by 2. Cancel, 1 by 2. Therefore, sine 105 degrees plus cos 105 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. That is the answer. Everyone got it? One by root 2 is the answer. Is it visible, the last one?
Yes, sir, visible.
You know, we are trying to have a better idea of the compound angles. Is it over? Till anybody is
Answer is
writing?
showing. So they are writing, sir. Sir, last 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. Next math lesson, sir. 11.
Over this one.
Yes, sir. You can arrest, sir. Yes, sir.
If that is the case, now I will give some homework. Try to do at home. Tell me answers tomorrow. Now, homework. First one. Find the value of following trigonometry. Okay, sine of 33,060. Debit cos 39 sine 510 degrees. Cos 390. Tan 765 degrees. Cot 405. Tan or cosecant minus 1200. Tan 11 pi by 6. Cos 5 pi by sine 7 pi by. This one and the second one. If cos A is equal to minus 24 by 25, where A greater than 5 less than 3 pi by 2, and sin B is equal to cos B 3 by 5, where B greater than 3 pi by 2 and less than 2. Then find the values. A bit sin A plus B cos A minus B A plus B tan A minus B tan A plus B, like that. Second one sin A minus B cos A minus B tan A. Is it over this first part? Is it visible for everyone? Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Visible, sir.
Third type, find the values of can I erase this part? Upper one.
Yes, sir. You can erase.
Third one, find the values of A bit tan minus 225 into cot minus 405 minus tan 765 into cot 67. Cot 67. Similarly, the second one, sine 780 degrees, sine 120 degrees plus cos 240 degrees, sine 390 degrees. Third one, sine 8 pi by 3, cos 23 pi by 3, plus cos 13 pi by 3, sine 35 pi by 3. Try to do these models and tell me the answer. Tomorrow we will discuss what are the doubts we had. Okay. Is everyone able to follow? Still any difficulty in understanding? Everyone got it? Is it over? Everyone copied?
Yes, sir, you can erase, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So try to do these problems, and tomorrow I will ask the answer for all these things, and after that we will discuss the rest of this. Okay. Now I'm leaving. Tomorrow we'll meet again.
అయిపోయింది